loves, and happy spring cleaning. I hope your spring cleaning is going well. Today I will be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes I love making to clean inside of my refrigerator. Now, a lot of us are getting away from those harsh chemicals to clean our home and going toward a more natural product, either by purchasing or by making it ourselves. Today, instead of doing a crafting video, I will be doing a DIY to honor spring cleaning for the month of April. Now, this recipe is very easy. It doesn't have a lot of ingredients and is easy to make. So if you want a natural alternative way to cleaning inside your refrigerator using natural products, stay tuned. So here are the items that you would need. You need distilled vinegar. You can use organic if you like. 4 or 5 lemons, and a sprig of thyme or rosemary, whichever do you wish. Now that you have the ingredients, let's get started by preparing them. So most of you probably know the characteristics of a lemon, but just in case you don't, the lemon has 3 parts. You have the outer peel, which is most what people cook with. You have the pith, that's P-I-T-H, and then you have the pulp. For this recipe, you would need the peel and the pith for the recipe. So what we're going to do, we are going to use a paring knife or any other tool that you may have to take the pith and the lemon peel from the pulp of the lemon. Okay, so next you need your container. Now this is a 1/2 gallon Bacardi bottle that we have during parties. And once it's empty, I use the bottle to put my recipes in. So I have several of these. And this bottle will be specifically for the inside of my refrigerator. So I will make the product, put it in this bottle, and then set it aside until I'm ready to use it. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the lemon peels inside your glass container. It can be a bottle or it can be a mason jar or whatever you have, but long as it's a 1/2 gallon container. Now you can make it bigger, you could be a gallon, what have you, but you have to adjust your recipe according to the size of your container. So we're going to put all these lemons in here, and then we'll move on to the next step. So once we have our peels in, we are going to take our organic thyme or organic rosemary, whichever, and you want a large sprig. So this has several sprigs in here. And what I'm going to do is place this large sprig inside of the bottle. Okay, now we're going to add our vinegar. Now we're going to pour 4 cups of distilled vinegar over the rind and the thyme. Now here's a note. Make sure that the lemon and the herbs are submerged in the vinegar completely. Then you're going to cap it off and let it sit on a counter for up to 1 to 2 weeks out of sunlight. After your time is up, you can strain your lemon herb vinegar through a mesh strainer into a quart or 4 cup mason jar or another glass container. So after 2 weeks and you strain your lemon herb vinegar into another container, you can pour a 1.1 ratio amount of the vinegar in a container and fill with hot water and then spray inside of your refrigerator, inside the shelves, on the doors, what have you, that you will be cleaning, and wipe it down with a damp cloth. And that's it. Pretty simple. The instructions on how to use this cleaning product is in the description box below. Let me know if you decide to give it a try in the comments. I'll see you on the next video. Happy spring cleaning! If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!